trying to eat healthier for the new year and not exactly sure how to do it. Trying to change the way I eat. But I'm not exactly sure how to cook some of this stuff. So I did a little research and let's see what happens. Hello, I'm Kevin and this is Opel's Outdoors and More, and today on Opel's Outdoors and More we are going to try to change our eating habits. We are going to see how this butternut squash, how it makes a substitute for French fries. So what we got to do, I already washed it. We got to cut the ends off of it, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the ends. Actually save that for seeds. I'm going to go ahead and cut it in half. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and scrape the seeds and all out of it. You know, I actually jumped the gun on this. I should have peeled the daggone thing first, but I wanted to go ahead and cut it and take the seeds out of it. Now I got ahead of myself. So now I got to go ahead and peel it, and then I go ahead and cut it up. Yeah, it would have been easier to do it before. Yeah, just throw it on the floor, why don't you? Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and cut these up into like French fry size strips. And then I'm going to go ahead and put them in the oven and roast them for a while. And these things are pretty tough still, even raw. Be careful not to cut yourself. That was kind of big. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put my olive oil on here. I already have my spices off to the side. I got a half a teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of pepper, and 1 whole teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning. I'm going to go ahead and coat this all with a little bit of olive oil. I don't have one of them fancy heads on there. Sprinkle this in there. Yeah, I got that all mixed up nice and evenly. It looks like it is anyway. Everything looks even. Okay, I got everything pretty much even on here. This tray is a little bit tighter than this one, but they're still spaced out. I'm going to go ahead and let that flow like that. And as soon as the oven goes ahead and gets up to temperature, we're going to go ahead and pop them in. Just go ahead and place them in there, and now time to go ahead and start the countdown. We're going to start it off at 20 minutes. Looking good. Look at them, tasty. Butternut squash fries. Only if I didn't burn them. The ones that ain't burnt are actually pretty good. I was supposed to flip them after 10 minutes, but I set the alarm for 20 and I got sidetracked, and when the alarm went off I was starting to smell them. And it's, the ones in the back ain't too terrible bad, but the ones up front are kind of extra done. Well, we gave it a shot and we'll give it a shot again later on. Okay, this is the tray without the parchment paper. Yeah, I got a little bit of baked on crap on there. Got to scrub it a little bit. That's the one with the parchment paper. So still going to get washed, but it's going to be a light wash and boom, be done. That one's going to take a lot more effort, obviously. It still was kind of balled up on there. It's still going to come off fairly easy.